What's up, guys? Gunther Lundy from Lundy on the Land YouTube channel, and winter is finally upon us. And with it, the first trees that don't survive the winter. We had a wicked storm of wet snow blow through here, knocking the power out and taking a bunch of trees down with it. But this tree hits particularly close to home because it's particularly close to my home. It'd be a shame to let it go to waste. Somebody should do something about this.
Hey, I'm somebody.
Are you? What do you think? Big timber?
We gonna do something, bud? We gonna make something?
Nothing like looking out the window and seeing some fresh snow. If you think I'm gonna process this entire tree with this hatchet, you're sadly mistaken. Give me 6 hours to cut down a tree, and I'll spend the first 4 sharpening my axe.
Whenever you sharpen a chainsaw on your living room coffee table, it's important to put a blocker board down so you don't damage the coffee table.
What do you think, Auger Logger? 12-footers?
So today I'm challenging myself and learning a new skill. I'm gonna try to figure out how to use a chainsaw mill and rescue this tree from certain rot. I've never done this before. I'm just kind of teaching myself on the fly, but that's my favorite way to figure things out.
The left-hand Suzuki method.
Just gonna go ahead and leave this level right in front of the camera so you can see how deadly I am. Take a look.
Look at this broke boy sawmill here. You just clamp your bar in there and then screw this board down straight and level. And you can rip. And then the board holds it straight.
Ideally.
You can see I did a real good job sharpening this thing. Should get a ripper chain. This should probably have a bigger bar.
Foreshadowing.
I didn't get nearly as much done as I want to, so it's time to go.
Those screws will be fun to take out later. Oh yeah, bend them some more. It's fine. Just gonna go ahead and casually drop the axe on my foot. Yep.
That's a work sleigh now, Buster.
Beautiful day to be working outside up here in northern Manitoba. No bugs. Lots of sunshine. Didn't get nearly as much as I wanted to done here, but I am pretty happy with how this ghetto chainsaw mill turned out. And we'll be back tomorrow. I'm starving.
What else is new, bud?
You just love fresh snow, eh, buddy? It's the ultimate indication of recency. You know those tracks are fresh, eh, bud? They have to be. Oh, yeah. Good boy. Danger Beach? Oh, thirsty? Let's go home. Don't worry about that guy. You're thirsty, eh? Let's go home. Good boy. Stay close. Good. No. Hey. Come. Good boy. Good. Put some water. Some water.
But as I was thinking about it, I think if we just rip one side flat and then tip the log on its side, then we can use the real sawmill to mill them into planks. And that's probably better. Because this stuff's heavy and I don't want to drag it out of here myself. Hey, get off the road. Come here. Augie.
Oh, you want to climb up, eh? Well, the old man's dropping off some firewood. Yay, more manual labor showed up. Let's go. The chainsaw inspector came by the milling site and they went, should have a ripping chain. Thanks, Dad. No, he was driving by and seen me working. Guess he's got a load of garbage and wanted to see if I had anything else to go. And he just had to come and inspect my work. We passed.
Don't you just love that sound? Yeah, that's exactly how I planned that to go. Just gonna stand here and look at it all proud for a bit.
Well, a lot of effort and a little thought. Got the log rolled over. I don't know what's gonna be easier or better. Try and slab it into boards with this thing. Never used it before, but we'll see what happens. Not gonna learn unless I try. I've had this thing for a few months now. I bought it when we were getting ravaged by wildfire, and I was just looking at all the kiln dried firewood and planks and lumber just across the lake from me. But then I never found the motivation to use it. First, I didn't put this in properly, so I gotta take it all apart.
Sounds like you.
Ooh, rigor mortis is setting in. Some of a bits. Some of a bit.
Wow, handsome and strong. So in order to try and maximize my cutting surface, I put the part that clamps onto the nose of the bar, I put a little bit too close to the nose. And it kind of pinches the sprocket inside the nose there and doesn't allow it to turn.
Timber's too big for an 18-inch bar, which I feel like when I was first looking into chainsaw milling, I had a bigger bar.
Oh well, that's why we're doing this, so we can learn.
Back to the old rope boy mill. First you get good at it, then you get fast at it. Worked better than the first time I did. Good enough for me.
Don't forget your safety glasses. Oh, wait, what? Don't see them. I guess I'll hit a safety squint. Don't be an idiot. Don't be like me.
Let's go sharpen it.
Okay. You're right.
Yep. Must have hit a screw. like an absolute numpty.
Sounds like you.
Hey bro, I gotta go sharpen the saw. You want to start the skidder so it's nice and warm?
Sharpness test is just sending big chunks flying. So let's go milling. This last log here is the narrowest portion that I'm gonna mill, and I'm sizing it up, wondering if I can just rip the board in the same position on both sides. I kind of just score it here, see how it's gonna look. And I'm pretty happy with it, so we're just gonna rip both sides of the board like that without moving it. Should be nice and quick. Oh, my chain got a little stretched out from the heat.
I think it might have been hitting. Well, we got 3 whole timbers milled, which is not a lot, but I learned a lot. My arms feel like they're gonna fall off.
So the very end of the log here is pretty narrow. It kind of splits off and gets skinny, and it's still pretty green. So this will go in the seasoning pile and get dried out for firewood.
It's a very technical log moving apparatus I wouldn't expect you to understand. Everything that's going on here, because I don't.
The fact that this tree fell so close to home made getting the motivation to get out there and get to work real easy. The next one surely won't be as close, but I'll be armed with experience to motivate me. Even got a nice little handle there for moving it. Did that on purpose. I'll just pull this out a little bit and then unhook the strap telepathically. Yeah, just like that. Exactly how we planned it. Jeepers, mister, you're really strong. Oh, and smart. Look at that. Look at the cantilever. Lock 'em up. Utilizing a lot of our backs and a little of our brain, we're getting her done. Director of Photography, Gunther Lundy. Just gathering up my offcuts and cleaning up my work site here. You can see I'm pretty proud of these crooked cuts. But you would be too if you sweat as much as I did.
Bad.
All my offsets loaded up. Oh. At the end of the tree for firewood. Take the stick here to help me hold it with my arm while driving and filming.
Place your bets if it makes it all the way home.
All those it's gonna fall off. It's actually woven together without straps.
Jeez, it's almost like he knows what he's doing.
What do you think? Do we get the Auger Logger stamp of approval?
No, but I've got a bit of experience.
And once we get the bigger bar and bigger chain, the next one should go a lot smoother. But I'm not ashamed of this at all. In fact, I'm quite proud. Just gonna get some boards to stick under there so they're not sitting on the ground. And that'll be that. So that's pretty much gonna wrap this up. We were able to honor the life of the tree, challenge ourselves, learn a new skill,
Careful, this is like really sharp.
and get some exercise.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi. And if you want to see what I'm gonna make with the logs, click subscribe. Thanks, take care, and see you on the next one. Should we go make supper?